Casa Chachacol is located on a unique site on the coast of Nayarit, Mexico. Its design was conceived under a simple and elegant linear plan, with two solid forms connected by a bridge that acts by itself as a link between both volumes with the help of a brick lattice. The client request for a specific program helped us divide the public areas between the ground level and the private areas on the second level. The site had some impressive trees that needed to be respected, and we decided to embrace them and make them our main protagonists in this what we call a man and landscape merger. So thanks to this context, we have the desired result. Casa Chachacol morphs basically all the time thanks to the constant natural light and shadows created by the natural surroundings. Built with local materials, Casa Chachacol's colors are created with a mix of cement and the natural soil from within, so it helps to camouflage the building with its natural surroundings.